Welcome to Phone Unlocker channel. Have you been stuck on iPhone unavailable screen due to many wrong attempts? In this video, we will show 5 tips to help you fix iPhone unavailable issues. Grab your iPhone to follow us. For iOS 17 iPhone, if you remember your old passcode, you can reset it on the lock screen. After entering some wrong passcodes, you will see iPhone unavailable screen and you will see the Forgot Passcode button. Tap on it and choose Enter Previous Passcode. Enter your previous passcode, then, you can set up a new passcode for your iPhone. But please note, if your iPhone is not signed to an Apple ID, you cannot get the Forgot Passcode option. After setting up the new passcode, swipe up the screen and regain access to your iPhone. If your iPhone is running on iOS 15.2 and later and signed into an Apple ID, you can also erase iPhone on the lock screen. On iOS 17 iPhone, tap on Forgot Passcode and select iPhone Reset. Enter your Apple ID password, then, tap on Erase iPhone. Your iPhone will be restored automatically. You need to wait for some time patiently and set up your iPhone. The second tip is to erase iPhone using Find My app. If you have another Apple device that signs into the same Apple account, Find My is on, you can try this way. Launch Find My app and go to the devices list. Select the iPhone you want to erase. Scroll down to tap on Erase this device. Enter your Apple ID password. The erasing process will start. After the process is completed, set up your iPhone to regain access to it. Don't have another Apple device? No worries, you can also erase iPhone on iCloud website. Go to iCloud.com and sign in to your Apple ID. Click on Find My. Click on Erase this device. It will ask you to enter your Apple ID password to confirm the erase. The fourth tip is to use iTunes to restore your iPhone. First, you need to put your unavailable iPhone into recovery mode. Your computer cannot recognize your device if you don't do the step. Power off your iPhone. Press and hold the volume up and the side button simultaneously until you see the recovery mode screen. Then, connect your iPhone to your computer. iTunes on PC or Finder on Mac will pop up. Click the Restore button. And you need to click to confirm the restore, and then iTunes will download firmware and restore your iPhone automatically. The last tip is to unlock iPhone without passcode with any unlock. First, connect your iPhone via a USB or USB-C cable to your computer. Download and launch any unlock and select Unlock Screen Passcode feature. Click Start Now and you will see a guide. Follow these steps to put your iPhone into recovery mode. Power off your iPhone. Press and hold the volume up and the side button simultaneously until you see the recovery mode screen. Then, any unlock will ask you to click to download firmware. The downloading time depends on the size of the firmware. Please wait patiently. Also, please make sure that you connect to a stable network during the period. After the firmware is downloaded, click Unlock Now to start the process. When the screen passcode is removed successfully, you will see the Hello screen on your iPhone. Swipe up the screen and set up your iPhone. Look, we regain access to the locked iPhone. That's all tips. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.